everyone, my name is Diane and I'm the community strategist here at 8 Ounce. I've got some new products here that I want to unbox with everyone. We'd like to make this a part of a regular series where we get to show you what the products might look like, how big they might be, the textures of it, and what the packaging will look like so you know what to expect. In this video, we're going to be covering accessories and tableware. So let's begin. First up, we have our newest arrival. This is the David Kim coffee mug, and you will notice that it is the same color as his Tazita bag. So it's pretty cool because David actually spent about a year looking for the perfect ceramicist to find one who could do this color and this shape. And the shape is one of the first things you will notice when you pick it up. It's got a nice weight to the bottom of it, and the ceramic is thick enough so that you don't burn your hands when you're drinking coffee, but it also helps retain the heat. You'll also notice that the narrow rim was deliberately designed to enhance the taste and aroma experience. So cheers to that, and stay tuned because I hear that David is going to be putting out more colors to match all of the bags. Next up is the Chemex Cozy and Warming Pad. This is a collaboration between Baba Seed Coffee and a group of Yemeni artisans who formed Shine Design. So let's take a look-see here. All right, so this was actually all sourced from street markets in Yemen, and it features 100% cotton. This is the warming pad, obviously, and this you would wrap around a 6-cup Chemex to give it a little collar and make sure that you don't ding your Chemex. It looks cute on the table and it keeps it cozy. All right, now let's take a look at some Kinto products. We've got the Kinto Bomb New canisters here. They come in a large and a small size. They're also stackable, which is great. It features an acacia wooden lid with a silicone, which it looks like you're gonna put yourself. Boop. It also has a heat-resistant glass, and while you can totally store coffee beans in here, we would recommend opaque canisters for coffee. But I think this would be great for pasta, lentils, oatmeal, dried fruit. You pick it. Now allow me to show you one of the newest lines from Kinto, the Topo line. This was inspired by the sight of animals popping out of the ground. Of course, only Kinto can think of something like that. And they are just as cute as it sounds, beginning with one of their milk pitchers. So you'll notice that a bunch of the pieces in the Kinto Topo line will feature asymmetrical shapes and sizes. While this is a milk pitcher, I think you can totally use it for gravy sauces as well, honey, can't think of anything else, but it's cute. We also have a mug that is about 10 ounces and is really perfect for drip coffee. Here we have the Kinto Topo cup and saucer. As I mentioned earlier, it features these asymmetrical shapes and sizes, as you'll see here with this saucer. All right, so the Topo line features gentle curves, and they are all made with porcelain. They're dishwasher safe and microwave safe. In products you might have missed, Baratza gear! Well, yeah, we got it. Right, so the Baratza Gear Encore Accent Kit comes in 5 different colors. Let's open one of these bad boys up. We've got yellow. Also, a really cool thing is Not only does it come with a on and off knob that you can customize, it also comes with this little accent, which is compatible with the Baratza Encore. And this would go around the base of the grinder. So just to give you an idea of what the colors look like in real life, I mean, sure, you're not actually seeing it in real life, but it could be a little different from the usual product page. We also have it in blue, white, so you could do a black and white combo, a mint green, and last but not least, orange. Ta-da! All right, so these fun colors are all compatible with the Encore, Virtuoso, and Virtuoso Plus. Last but not least, we have the Sete AeroPress holder. So this is an attachment for your Sete grinder, and we definitely recommend it for those who are primarily using the AeroPress. This is a great way to save a step at home, so you're not having to grind into one receptacle only to have to transfer it into your AeroPress. So what you do is you would just attach this to the grinder using the adjustable handles, and you can grind hands-free right into your AeroPress, which would fit snug right here. And that wraps up our first unboxing video here at 8 Ounce. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We upload new videos every Thursday. My name is Diane. This has been a blast. Happy brewing!